This cocktail is called Brandy Sangaree. Go ahead and start off by adding your ice to your glass, your mixing glass there. We're going to do 2 ounces of brandy. Let's use this one. There's 1. There's 2. Now we're going to add about half a teaspoon or so of powdered sugar. Just sort of eyeball it. Let's break it on up there. There, that's probably good. Now we're going to do about a teaspoon or so of water. Helps with the sugar. See? Sugar all starts to fall down when you add the water. And now we're going to do some carbonated water. So just sort of fill with your carbonated water and mix this together. Get your cocktail glass out. This is what your Brandy Sangaree looks like so far. We're going to take some port wine and just top it off there, the few drops of port wine. And then last but not least, you're going to add some nutmeg on top. Yep, just like that. You are good to go. Cheers.